The Ferguson, Missouri post office is in the news. And this time, it's not good. It's very alarming. The flag was upside down at this post office. It causes shock. It causes uncertainty. And it causes the question, was it intentional? Is it political? Or are we really in distress? As we know, it's a lot of things going on in society right now. You have the situation in Minnesota. You have the president making certain decisions. You have ICE out here doing certain things. This is a lot going on. And I'm not going to sit here and try to downplay this situation, downplay what's going on in our society. But let's keep everyone in prayers. Let's be cognizant of what's going on. But again, when there's a flag upside down, it signals distress, it signals warning. And I guess, again, we have been warned. Terrence wants to hear, go ahead first. Give me some thoughts, give me some feedback. What do you think? I know things are very questionable right now. I question some of the things that are going on. There's also been a document just sent out to United States Postal Service employees of recent. I'll follow up on that. I'll give you some updates. But this is really questioning, alarming, and we'll see where we go from here. Terrence was here. Go ahead first. Thanks.